Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha in Nuke. First, understand that the alpha channel dictates an image's transparency, allowing for seamless integration into your composite. Nuke relies heavily on accurate alpha information to blend elements correctly. We'll cover how to ensure your footage has a proper alpha and how to manipulate it for various compositing needs. Getting this right is fundamental for any visual effects work. To extract an alpha channel, begin by using a shuffle node to specifically select the alpha from your input. If your footage is not already premultiplied, apply a premult node to correctly combine the color and alpha information. For footage without a direct alpha, a keyer node, like Keylight, can generate one based on color ranges, such as green screen or blue screen footage. This step is vital for clean extractions. Once you have an initial alpha, you'll often need to refine it. Roto paint nodes are excellent for drawing precise masks or cleaning up existing ones, giving you pixel-level control. To adjust the size of your mask, use erode or dilate nodes, which can expand or shrink the alpha by a few pixels. Finally, apply a blur node to soften the edges of your alpha, ensuring a more natural and integrated look within your composite. With your refined alpha, you can now use merge nodes to combine your foreground and background elements seamlessly. Always double-check that your output format, such as EXR or PNG, is configured to include the alpha channel when rendering. This ensures your work maintains its transparency for downstream processes. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. A clean alpha is key to a professional final render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.